If you love pieces that make a space feel more polished and put together, then this acrylic tray does exactly that.
It's made from clear acrylic with gold accent handles, so it has this clean, modern look, but still feels elevated and refined. It's perfect for serving coffee or small bites when you want things to feel intentional instead of scattered. But it also works beautifully on a desk. It keeps everyday essentials organized while still looking styled instead of cluttered. And on a vanity, it instantly upgrades your skincare or makeup setup and gives everything a defined space. Or you could use it in a bathroom setting and it helps group everyday items so the counter feels clean and cohesive. But one of my favorite places is as a centerpiece on a dining table or a coffee table, creating structure without feeling heavy.
It's simple but versatile and works in so many different spaces because the clear acrylic blends seamlessly with other decor, while the gold accent elevates it just enough to make it feel stylish and elegant. So, if you want something that makes a space feel more styled without trying too hard, this is the perfect piece to add.